All right, keep it running. And then I want you to run into him, and I'm going to videotape.
Okay.
You got to keep it going, though.
I know, it is. Ready? You ready?
All right, here's Tyler running into a flock of seagulls.
Can I seriously?
Set.
Can I seriously?
Go. Yeah, go.
Yes.
There he is, right there. There he goes. He's running towards them. It's so exciting. And there they go. It is craziness. Look at them all. Oh my gosh, they're attacking him. It's nuts. Look at that. Ah, it's crazy. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Mayday! Mayday!
Go back and get them. Go back. They poop on you?
No.
Go back and get them. Go. 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 There he goes. He's running fast.
In his new shoes.
Go. Get into him. Get into the heart of him. Hurry up.
Go, Tyler!
Oh, cool.